Hello everyone. Today I want to delve into a fundamental aspect of IT service management. It is the knowledge management. Imagine having a vast treasure trove of knowledge at your fingertips where information is readily available to solve problems, make informed decisions, and enhance productivity. That's the magic of knowledge management. Knowledge management is the systematic process of capturing, organizing, storing, and sharing valuable information within an organization. It enables teams to access and leverage collective knowledge, improving efficiency, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Knowledge management is like a living library where insight, best practices, and lessons learned are captured and made available for everyone to benefit from. The journey of knowledge management begins with knowledge capture. This involves identifying, documenting, and organizing relevant information in a structured manner. This knowledge can include troubleshooting guides, process documentation, FAQs, or even insight from experienced team members. Once captured, the knowledge needs to be shared effectively. Organizations employ various techniques such as knowledge bases, wikis, collaboration platform, or even regular knowledge sharing session. The goal is to make information easily accessible to those who need it, fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. But knowledge management is not just about storing information. It also involves ongoing maintenance and validation. Regular updates and reviews ensure that knowledge remains accurate, relevant, and up to date. This guarantees that teams have access to reliable and trustworthy information when they need it most. By embracing knowledge management, organizations can unlock a multitude of benefits. It reduces the needs of reinvent the wheel, minimize duplication of effort, and accelerates problem solving. It empowers teams to make informed decisions based on collective wisdom, improving productivity and efficiency. Furthermore, knowledge management fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. It encourages individuals to share their expertise, learn from one another, and collectively drive innovation within the organization. In summary, knowledge management is a powerful process that enables organizations to capture, share, and leverage valuable knowledge. It optimizes efficiency, enhances problem-solving capabilities, and promotes a culture of collaboration and learning. Thank you for your attention. The next time you have a question or need information, remember the power of knowledge management. Explore the knowledge resources available to you and contribute to the collective wisdom of your organization. Have a wonderful day. If you have any question or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.